Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I'm just going to show you how you can withdraw your money on this platform. Okay. Previously some people were complaining that they didn't get paid, and that was because they were not able to follow the instruction that they were supposed to follow. Okay, so that is why I decided to make this video, so the same mistake is not going to happen in the next month where they're going to get paid. Okay, so right here what you're basically going to be doing on this platform is to watch a video every day and then share a viral post. Okay, so where most people make this mistake is they watch the video correctly, but in the aspect of sharing a viral post they make mistakes. Okay, so right here, if you want to share the viral post, this is what you're just going to do to get it correctly. Okay, so you're just going to click on this three dash here at the top corner of this website. So once you just click on this, you're going to see options. So you're going to scroll down. You can see right here, you can see viral tags. So once you click on viral tags, it's going to open and you're going to see the post you're going to share for that day. Okay, so right here is the post you're going to share. Okay, so this is where most people miss it. Okay, so once you click on the post, it's going to open and then you'll be directed to another page where you're going to read through the instruction. So most people just scroll and then click on the post. They don't even read the instructions right there. Okay, so let me take you guys through this so you can get paid the next month. Okay, so what most of you guys do is you just click on this blue right up here and then you get directed to Facebook and you just comment and then come back. No, you're missing it. Okay, so right here, this is what you want to do. Okay, you just click on this icon here showing blue right up. So once you click on it, you're going to be redirected to Facebook. Okay, you must have dropped the link of your Facebook on your account. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, you can check other videos on my channel. I've actually made a video about that. So right here is the post. You can just drop a very good comment. You can say something like Viewpoint is the best. Okay, point is the best. Okay, you can just say this and then you send it. Okay, so after that, what you want to do is you just go back. Right here you can see the comment, so you click on your back button and then you come right here that is showing share. Okay, so once you click on this share, you're going to see other options. Okay, so right here you can see this place showing public. Your own might not be showing public. Okay, if it's not showing public, just click on it. Okay, if it's not showing public, click on it. You're going to see options here. You can see friends, you can see friends except. So just click on public. Okay, make it public, because why you need to do this is because Viewpoint is going to go through all the posts you've shared. They're going to check your timeline through your Facebook profile link. Okay, and if they don't find this post on your timeline, you're not going to get paid. Okay, that is why some people's payments were declined on 28th of this month, which was supposed to be the payment date. Okay, so right here, once it's changed to public, you just click on share. Okay, you can see this icon right here showing share. You just click on it. So once you click on it, you're done for the day. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to be doing after watching the video. You just share this. Okay, so once you click on that share, you can check your timeline. You're going to see the post on your timeline. Okay, so let me just check it so you guys can see. Okay, this is my Facebook account right here. So you're just going to click on this image and you're going to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you can see right here, you can see this is the post I just shared. Okay, so this is what Viewpoint does. They actually check your timeline. So when they don't see this post right there, they believe you didn't complete those tasks and you're not going to get paid. Okay, so if you want to get paid in the next date for payout, so make sure you just follow these steps. Okay, make sure you follow these steps. So after sharing this, you're just going to go back to your dashboard. So once you get back to your dashboard, you scroll down. You can see this icon showing click to earn. You can see this icon right here showing click to earn. So once you just click on this icon right here showing click to earn, the money is going to be added to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so let me just click on it and you're going to see it's just going to bring you back to Facebook, and right here you just go back. Okay, this is just like a confirmation. So you just click on this card and then you go back to your dashboard. Okay, so right here on the dashboard you just check. You can see previously it was 18,500 points. So right here you can see it's now 18,650 points. Okay, so right there is actually what you're going to be doing. You watch the video and then you follow the steps I used to share this viral tags, and make sure you share it like that. Okay, so if you don't share it like that, you're not going to get paid. Your payment is going to be declined. Okay, I actually faced this, so I have to just make this video so you guys can understand how this platform works. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.